Hey, welcome back. In this video, we will discuss about the list comprehension in Python. So list comprehension offers a shorter syntax when you want to create a new list based on the values of an existing list. Okay, so let's have an example and let's see that in action. So this is the syntax. This is the full syntax, but we will not be using this syntax right now. So we will not be using the condition right now, but in the next video, we will do that. Okay. All right. So we are having this fruits list. Okay. And what I want to create a new list. Okay. Which should be something like this. So apple, then banana, and so on. Okay, so we will capitalize or uppercase all of the characters of the elements or the items of the list. So how we can do that? So let's see that without the list comprehension first. So let's add another variable called fruits capital or upper, okay, equals to an empty list. Okay, and now we have to have a for loop for fruit or f in fruits. Okay, then what we have to do? We have to do something like this. So fruits underscore upper dot append, okay, f dot upper. Okay, and this is a string method. Basically, just like the list in Python, strings have their own methods as well. Okay, and now after this one, I can just print the fruits upper. And this particular thing, I am not liking that. So let's do something like fruit. Okay, that is better. In case if you are wondering how I changed this to at once, I just used the F2 button. Okay, all right. So now if I just run the program, as you can see, we are getting apple, banana, cherry, kiwi, and mango. Okay, this is good, right? But can we do better? Yes, we can do better. And we can do better by using the list comprehension. Okay, so I will just keep this one right now as something like this, a comment. Okay, and now what we have to do, we have to do something like this. So fruits upper, that is the variable, equals to, and then this is the syntax. So we have to open up the square brackets so that this is a new list. Okay, then we have to write the expression for item in iterable. Okay, so I will start with the for part. So for item, which is fruit in our case, in fruits. Okay, and here we have to put our expression. What we want to do, we have to uppercase that fruit, right? The fruit name. So fruit dot upper. Okay, so this is the list comprehension here. And now if I just save that and run the program, as you can see, we are getting the same result. Okay, so what exactly happened? So we had to previously declare a variable, which is this one, fruits upper, which is an empty list. And then what we have to do, we have to go through all of the elements of this array or the list, and then one by one we have to uppercase them and append those elements inside of this particular list, the new list. But here with this syntax, it is doing everything at once. I hope that makes sense, right? So here I showed you both of the ways, without using the list comprehension and with using the list comprehension. So this is the list comprehension. And once again, this one, this particular list is different from this one. Okay, so we still have the fruits unchanged. So let's do a print of fruit or fruits to be precise. Run the program. As you can see, this list is unchanged. Okay, this is a new list what we are getting right now. Okay, so this is the list comprehension. So the list comprehension offers a shorter syntax when you want to create a new list based on the values of an existing list. Okay, that is what we are doing currently right now. We are creating a new list based on the values of the old list, which is this fruits list. Okay, so this is the list comprehension in action. So in the next video, we will discuss about this whole expression. Basically, we just discussed about this part, right? But there is another part which is having this condition as well. So we will discuss how we can combine the conditions with the list comprehension in the next video.